Tenants in the Cruise Park estate in Tyrrellstown in Dublin were told they'd have to leave or purchase their homes because their landlord was selling up. Loans linked to the development had been purchased by a so-called vulture fund, and families affected urged the government to intervene. Auctioneers and valuers are now echoing that demand, calling for an urgent review of the role of vulture funds.
Their only objective is to increase rents and turn property quickly for a fast profit.
Housing experts say legislation needs to be introduced to help tenants achieve security of tenure.
I would propose that to help solve this problem, that any landlord that has more than 3 properties will be treated like a business, but in return will also lose the right to evict incumbent tenants if they want the property for their family member or for sale.
But others claim that investment funds often do the best deals for borrowers.
Vulture funds are not regulated themselves, but if they buy loans, anyone who is servicing that loan does have a very strict code of conduct, and any borrower is still protected by their original contract. The borrowers are protected by the code of conduct on mortgage arrears and by the court process, where we're actually seeing that repossessions are nowhere near as high in Ireland as they have been in other countries.
Vulture funds now own over a quarter of the country's most distressed mortgages, with the vast majority of these properties owner-occupied. Sharon Gaffney, RTE News, Dublin.
The Green Party leader Eamon Ryan has said he believes the current government will remain in power for at least 3 years. Speaking at his party's annual convention in Cork, Mr Ryan said the Greens would continue to work in a collaborative way from the opposition.